guilty. Is she guilty?
I always do.
Yeah, as your servant tells you. They always do. If they don't, I rack them until they do. There's the pigeon.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard. Say sorry about the... Believe me, this happens a few times a week. We're very lucky to see the bridge lift. We're going to turn the boat side on. On the starboard side, on the right, you'll see the bridge. If you've got your camera, that is a lovely photo of the most recognisable bridge in the world. I'm sure you'd like to get a photo of this if you brought your camera. And if you haven't brought your camera, maybe ask yourself why. Look at the top of the bridge, you can walk over the top, glass flooring. A museum. They've turned the top into a museum. You walk over the top, looking down through. So you can look up and see all the people. Ladies, if you're going to go up there, the Houses of Parliament. It was opened by Queen Victoria, 1852. Everybody called and do a live commentary along the way. And we can mention things like Tower Bridge and other things that the machine can't do. And we do hope the live commentary, it adds to the journey, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, you feel it's added to the